Meaning of imprimatur.
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 Imprimatur. Imprimatur is a Latin term meaning "let it be printed." In the publishing industry, it refers to an official approval or endorsement granted by a recognized authority, typically a bishop or other high-ranking member of the Catholic Church, to publish literature on matters of faith and morals. The imprimatur is intended to confirm that the content is free from doctrinal or moral error. It is often seen as a mark of quality or trustworthiness. This practice dates back to the 16th century and continues in some Catholic countries to this day.